In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email receipts to Expensify. This process is really handy when you receive receipts in your inbox or as attachments and you just want them to flow straight into Expensify without manually entering every detail. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make, and along the way I'll explain what's happening so it all makes sense. First, open Expensify in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. On the main screen, look for the plus sign icon. This is usually used for creating new items in Expensify, like expenses or reports. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. This tells Expensify that you want to add something new. After clicking the plus sign, a small menu will appear with different options. From this menu, choose the option labeled Create Expense. This is where Expensify lets you add a new expense manually, scan a receipt, or upload one. Clicking Create Expense will open a new panel or window where you can choose how you want to create that expense. Once you're in the Create Expense view, look for the option called Scan. This is the feature that allows Expensify to read your receipts automatically. When you click on Scan, Expensify will show you different ways to send receipts in so they can be scanned and turned into expenses for you. On the scan screen, you should see an email address that Expensify provides specifically for receipt forwarding. It will look like a general receipts email address. This is the address you'll use whenever you want to email receipts into your account. Carefully highlight that email address and copy it. Now open your email app or email service in a new tab or window. Create a new message and in the To field, paste the email address you just copied from Expensify. From now on, whenever you receive a receipt in your inbox, you can simply forward it to this address. Expensify will automatically scan the receipt, read the amount, date and merchant, and create an expense for you in your account. For best results, make